Summary of The Pig That Wants to Be Eaten, and 99 Other Thought Experiments by Julian Baggini. The Pig That Wants to Be Eaten by Julian Baggini is a collection of 100 thought experiments designed to challenge and stimulate the reader's mind. Each experiment presents a unique philosophical dilemma, encouraging deep reflection and discussion about various aspects of human experience, ethics, and reality. Key themes: ethics and morality. Many thought experiments explore ethical questions, challenging readers to consider their own moral beliefs and the implications of their decisions. For example, the titular thought experiment, The Pig That Wants to Be Eaten, questions the ethics of eating meat if the animal desires to be consumed. Personal identity. Several experiments delve into the nature of personal identity and what it means to be oneself over time. Questions about memory, consciousness, and the continuity of self are central to these discussions. Reality and perception. Baggini often invites readers to question the nature of reality and how our perceptions shape our understanding of the world. This theme is evident in experiments like The Brain in a Vat, which challenges readers to consider if they could be living in a simulated reality. Free will and determinism. The book also addresses the debate between free will and determinism, posing scenarios that make readers question whether their actions are truly free or predetermined by prior events or natural laws. Ethical dilemmas. Many thought experiments present ethical dilemmas that force readers to weigh competing values and make difficult decisions. These scenarios help illuminate the complexities of moral reasoning and the challenges of making ethical choices. Notable thought experiments. 1. The Pig That Wants to Be Eaten. This experiment questions the ethics of eating meat from an animal that wants to be consumed. It forces readers to consider the nature of consent and the moral implications of fulfilling such a desire. 2. The Experience Machine. Inspired by Robert Nozick, this experiment asks if one would plug into a machine that provides perfect experiences of pleasure, challenging the value of authentic experiences versus simulated happiness. 3. The Ship of Theseus. This classic experiment questions the nature of identity through the story of a ship that is gradually replaced, piece by piece, until none of the original parts remain. It asks whether the ship remains the same or becomes a different entity. 4. The Trolley Problem. A well-known ethical dilemma where one must decide whether to divert a runaway trolley onto a track where it will kill one person instead of 5, exploring the conflict between utilitarian and deontological ethics. 5. The Brain in a Vat. This thought experiment questions reality by suggesting one's brain could be in a vat connected to a computer, making all experiences artificial.